Okay, you guys, let's go with me to wash my face, get me well started for today. Um, got a lot to do today. I gotta finish my website so I can showcase the new logo and the new website design. Um, sorry, now look, stop. But yeah, let's go. Let's go. We're gonna go. First of all, we're gonna go and I want to get out my shoes, but no, just gonna put on some socks to keep my feet nice and warm. Here we go, some socks. Okay, I'm putting on some socks. I feel like today should be like a relaxing day for me. Forgetting the most key thing. Alright, I'll see y'all when I go in that one. Alright, let's get started, y'all. I decided since I can never do a full one on Instagram, I gotta start recording it. So, full face routine. Alright. What I love about these disposable white face towels is no bacteria is getting back on your face from you washing it with the first one, like you normally would do with your rag. I recently found out rag holds bacteria, so that's why sometimes when you wash your face, it never be clean, because the rag holds bacteria. I even do that when I'm taking a shower. I even like swamp out rags because the whole bacteria. So we're gonna let that dry here, like so. I'm going to go ahead and wash that in. Really get the cleanness in my face. See? The cleanness in my face. Love these rags. Now I'm just trying to wipe it down.